Today, we're taking a closer look at the Kingston 480GB A400 SATA 3 2.5-inch internal SSD, a solid-state drive designed to breathe new life into older systems or boost the performance of modern setups. Whether you're upgrading a sluggish laptop or replacing an aging hard drive in your desktop, this SSD promises faster boot times, quicker file transfers, and smoother overall performance. Let's dive into what makes this drive a compelling choice for anyone looking to upgrade their storage. One of the standout features of the Kingston A400 is its 480GB capacity, offering ample space for your operating system, applications, and frequently used files. It leverages SATA 3 technology with read speeds up to 500 megabytes per second and write speeds up to 450 megabytes per second, which is a significant leap over traditional hard drives. The 2.5-inch form factor makes it compatible with most laptops and desktops, and its shock-resistant design ensures durability, unlike mechanical HDDs. What really sets it apart is its affordability. Kingston delivers solid performance without breaking the bank, making it an excellent entry-level SSD for budget-conscious users. In real-world use, the A400 delivers on its promises. Boot times are noticeably faster, often cutting down to just 10 to 20 seconds, compared to a minute or more with an HDD. Applications launch swiftly, and file transfers are snappy, especially for smaller files. Gamers will appreciate reduced load times, while everyday users will enjoy a more responsive system. However, it's worth noting that while the A400 performs well for general use, it's not the fastest SATA SSD on the market. Heavy workloads like video editing or large file transfers might reveal its limitations, as it lacks advanced features like DRAM cache, which helps sustain performance under prolonged use. Compared to competitors like the crucial MX500 or Samsung 870 EVO, the Kingston A400 sits at a lower price point, but also offers slightly slower performance and fewer premium features. The MX500, for example, includes DRAM cache for better sustained speeds, while the 870 EVO boasts higher endurance. That said, for casual users or those on a tight budget, the A400 strikes a great balance between cost and performance. To get the most out of this SSD, consider pairing it with a fresh OS installation rather than cloning your old drive, as this ensures optimal performance. Regularly updating firmware from Kingston's website can also improve stability and speed. And if you're using it in a laptop, enable trim support in your OS to maintain long-term performance. Overall, the Kingston 480GB A400 is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to upgrade from an HDD without spending a fortune. It's ideal for students, office users, or casual gamers who want a reliable performance boost. While it may not be the best fit for power users or professionals handling intensive tasks, its affordability and solid performance make it a standout in its category. Thanks for tuning in, and happy upgrading. Until next time, take care and stay tech savvy.